We are with us Prachi P. Mehta. She's a renowned tarot card reader, astro numerologist, and name spelling correction expert. So many things rolled into one. Prachi, first of all, thanks for coming here and sharing your thoughts. First of all, what do you think of this kind of a forum that brings all the leaders together?
So, Ruhail, thank you for having me here, Business World. A big thank you to all of you, the entire team of Business World, Anurag Batra, Devika, Ruhail, everyone out there behind the scenes, Harbinder. I think it's a fabulous platform. Every year we have this well-being event, which I've also been observing and also have been a part of it 2 years ago as a jury. What I think of this event is it's very essential to have events like these. That's number one, because today well-being, whether it's mental, spiritual, physical, financial well-being, all of these components are very important in our lives. The most important part, I feel, is balancing all of these components in our lives: work-life balance, spiritual, emotional balance. So I think it's very, very relevant to the times we are in, post-COVID, especially anxiety, stress, anger. There's so much. So kudos to all of you for putting up such a fabulous event day, year after year.
Thank you for the kind words. If you look at the wellness space overall, there's so much of mushrooming of experts, and if you go on social media, every second guy has become expert. How do you differentiate, how what happens to wellness industry in such a scenario when everybody is trying to get into it? Do we need to raise the bar to get into the industry?
Uh, well, I would like to look at it differently. I think there's see, from the marketing perspective, maybe one can one may need to raise their bar and be at the top of their game and all of that, but I think well-being goes a little bit beyond all of this. To really being someone who's a spiritualist or who is a practitioner of well-being in any stream, the game, it's not about the game. The most important thing is you have to be honest to your craft, because anyone in the space of well-being especially has to have the most purest and sincerest intentions of why they are here and what they're doing. So raising the bar comes much later, but if you're good with what you do and you're good with your skill set, you will find your people, and people will be there to give you that platform. And so that's
Right.
that's the way I look at it.
Wonderful. Well said, Prachi. Thank you so much for joining us here. Lovely talking to you.
Thank you.